How to fix app not installed on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can fix app not installed at all on Android phones, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, to fix the app not installed at all option, why does this happen? This happens when you are not downloading the app from Google Play Store. So you're downloading an APK from a third-party website and then you're expecting it to install properly. That's not how it works. Google Play and Android is certified for a reason, and they don't recommend you downloading all those APKs from elsewhere. It is available on the internet. So if it says app not installed, the problem is most likely with the APK file that you're downloading. Maybe the APK file is corrupted. So you might just want to make sure to delete that APK file, try to download from some other websites and see if that solves the problem. Or else, let's say you're trying to download Instagram, you just want to go ahead and type in Instagram in your Google Play Store. Instead of actually using all the sketchy APKs that you find in the market right now, I'll just recommend you to install it from the official Play Store app. If it is available there, that's perfectly fine. If not, then I wouldn't recommend you to download them. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.